I'm scientist Sandra.
Hi, I'm scientist Tandy.
We'll do our research
about snow.
Two expert scientists from Africa discovered Dundee. The primitive locals in the Arctic region call it snow. The two scientists are leading an experiment demonstrating to locals how Dundee can be used to generate energy and used to provide medication for handling depression and mental health, and also for global climate change agenda in the North and the global South.
Here is my sample.
and here is my sample.
The two scientists have done a lot of work, and now it's time to update their records. As you have noticed, it's a lot of back and forth to get accurate data in order to make good conclusions and make good recommendations to help these primitive people to better their lives. May scientists continue with their good work and continue to advance knowledge everywhere in the world.
Thank you.